Hello everyone, my name is Elizabeth. Today I'll be showing us how I prepare my fish without frying it in oil. I'll be using an air fryer to fry my fish. And today I'll be using Titus fish or some people call it mackerel, and then I'll also be using it's called a jashawa in Nigerian by the Yoruba tribe, but I think its English name is herrings or something. Yeah. Today I'll be cleaning my fish. I'll cut out all the parts that I don't want. Then I would remove the intestine and everything. I'll be cutting the fish head very small because I'll be keeping it because I need it for something else. I'll be using the fish head for another recipe. Nothing goes waste in my kitchen. I love the Titus fish because it's so sweet, especially when it's an oily Titus fish. So I think using an air fryer to fry this to prepare the fish is a very welcome and the best healthy option for us in general. This Harris fish is very, very bony. It has a lot of bone, tiny, 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 tiny bones. But it's a good fish. It's so sweet. I love it. So I'm cutting my fishes now, cleaning it up and preparing it and getting it ready for the yummy meal that I'll be preparing. But in this video, I'll just show you how I prepare it, how I clean it, and how I use the air fryer to prepare my fish. Also, I'll be using this opportunity to say a very big welcome to all my new subscribers. You guys are welcome. I appreciate you. I want you to know that I'm working so hard to bring you the best of the best videos and recipes on this channel, on this space. And I want to appreciate my old subscriber for watching my videos, for commenting, sharing my videos, giving me thumbs up, because all these things is going to help my channel to grow. And I believe we are here to grow together, because I told you I'm also here to learn, because I want you to tell me one thing that you feel I need to do. Tell me videos ideas that you want to watch, and let's just keep rubbing minds together at every point in time. So I appreciate everyone that have been supporting me. Thank you, thank you, thank you to my old subscriber, to my new subscriber. I really appreciate. Enjoy the video. So here I'm just washing my fish with the salt. That is the pink salt that I'm cleaning my fish with. I hope you will try this at home. If you have an air fryer, it's the best option. It's more healthier. I lost the clip. I would have shown you at the bottom of my air fryer the oil. Oh my god, it was so much. Now imagine frying your fish in deep oil. So I I really appreciate this method of making my fish, and it's enjoyable. I hope you will try it. When you try it, come back and let me know if you enjoy the fish, if you prefer it this way or you want to go back to the old way. Right now, this is very important to me, you know, because of contamination. I need to clean my area, my work area, because of the fish, so that I will not be transferring any bad germs from one place to another. So I had to quickly, do a housekeeping cleaning, clean all my utensils and my work area before I continue with my fish prep. Yeah, that water is very hot. Very, very hot. You can see the steam. Very, very hot. So right now I'm adding my pink salt. Then seasoning cube. The seasoning cube was so hard, so I had to bring my small mortar to, crush it, and then before I add it to my fish. Black pepper. That is Cameroon pepper. And that's it. That's all I added to my fish. So right now I'm going to mix it very well together. Then I'll place them in the air fryer. I actually did some in my air fryer, and that's just the only down part to the air fryer. You have to do it in batches. So what I did was I did some in the air fryer, and I went ahead and made some in my oven too. So you can always do the fish in your oven, you can do it in your air fryer. And I love this air fryer because it's 2-in-1. You can air fry and you can pressure cook. So win-win for me. But the air fryer is faster than making it in the oven, so I prefer the air fryer method. So I have 2 steps here. I put it in the bottom of the pot, then there's I don't know what it's called, then I have to place it in it. Look at how golden, how beautiful this is. This fish, I will just take it with some gari jebu and your girl is okay. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please comment down below if you try using the air fryer. Comment down below, let me know if you really like the outcome, or you tried my recipe and you like the outcome. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.